Hello, and welcome to the first OpenKM USA webinar. My name is Alex Garcia. I work with OpenKM USA, and this will be my first time presenting a webinar. If anyone has any questions, you can type them in chat, and I'll address them as soon as I can. If I can't answer them during the webinar, then I'll address them afterwards. Here is the login screen for our OpenKM USA demo. Here we have our logo. Now, if you have your own working version of OpenKM, we'll be able to apply your logo here. And here we see our language selection. OpenKM is available in over 30 languages, and when logging in, each user can select their own language. This allows companies who have operations all over the world to let each user define which language they would use best on the system. When we first log into OpenKM, by default, it will take us to our desktop and our taxonomy. This is configurable. Much like everything else in OpenKM, one of the main points is how customizable OpenKM is. First, we will look over the four main work areas we have of OpenKM and give a general overview. The desktop is where we perform the main tasks with our documents on the system. Search allows us to search through documents based on criteria that we can apply here. The dashboard allows users to keep on top of their own tasks as well as coordinate with other users. And administration is where administrators can change options in OpenKM. The first thing we'll be doing is going to my folder, AG Documents, and showing some ways that we can upload documents onto OpenKM. The simplest way is we can simply choose a document we want to upload onto the system and drag it into the folder where we want it. It is also possible to simply drag and select multiple documents and drag them in at once. We also have our Add Document button. This shows us a few important options we have. We can import documents directly from a zip file. This allows us to zip a large volume of documents into one folder and upload them at once. And OpenKM will also automatically unzip the file as it is added to the system. We can also notify users that a new document has been added to the system. We can do this by individual user, such as myself, Alex Garcia. However, we can also select roles. For example, we could notify all managers that a new document has been uploaded. The last way we'll be looking at to upload documents to the system is our Scanner plugin. The Scanner plugin is linked to a scanner I have in the office. And to start off, we're going to scan in 2 pages of documents that I have in the document feeder. Now that our scan is complete, we will see that we have 2 image files in our plugin. We can also convert our documents directly into PDFs in our plugin. When we are ready to upload our documents, We select the documents we wish to upload, and we click the green upload arrow, which will upload our documents to the path specified here. To change this path, we can simply click, and it will show us our taxonomy. And if we're uploading another type of document, we can select what type here. When we come back into the system, we can refresh and see that our documents have been uploaded. Now that we have some new documents to look over, let's take a look into the taxonomy itself. When we have selected a file or a document or a folder in the taxonomy, we will see here on the bottom some tabs with information about our document or folder. The first one is the properties. This gives us a general overview of the document, such as the name or internal name, the ID, and a few other options here. For example, we can assign titles to these documents. Here I'll go to the flyer, and I will assign the name of OpenKM USA flyer as the title. Our OCR has